Guys, my name is Rahul. I have completed my graduation in BBACA in August 2021. After completing my graduation, I decided to enroll one of the training institute to get company related knowledge. My brother, an IT professionalist, suggest me to do data science courses. So one of my friend suggest me to enroll at ETLHive as they provide uh, training for basic to advanced level. So in August 2021, I enrolled at ETLIU for data science with Python. After enrolling, I have so many doubts. Can I able to do this course well? As I do not have any basic knowledge of Python, and machine learning is a totally new concept for me. But as I move forward in classes, uh, all doubts are getting clear one by one. So my trainer was Vaibhav Bajaj sir. Vaibhav Bajaj sir's teaching ability is impressed me very well as they provide training for beginners to advanced level. As non-IT professionals, non-IT students also getting their points, also getting main concept. Training agenda is very well. Initially, at every classes, initially they give introduction about the concept, and then provide time for hands-on training. And after completing hands-on training, they also provide doubt clearing sessions. So confidence level of student increasing by this agenda as all their doubts are getting cleared.